All right, guys, we are back at 1551 Southgate, Unit 102. This is a two-bed, two-bath condo. We've toured this one previously on my page, and it got a ton of traction. It is still on the market for one lucky buyer. As I mentioned in my previous video, I really love the enclosed balcony. This is in the heart of Daly City, right next to St. Andrew's Church. If you know, you know. But with that enclosed balcony, you're not getting a ton of wind and you're not getting a ton of noise. The street in front is Southgate, so it is one of the main streets here on Daly City. So that enclosed balcony is super clutch. Guys, if you like this condo, please shoot me a DM. I'd love to tour this with you so that you can see it in person. Peace.